What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're a woman and you like cycling, you're gonna need these. So I picked these up as a gift. I thought we'd take a quick look at them. And you don't have to be a woman to wear these. Maybe just small hands. But look at these. I mean, I think these things are really multi-purpose. You can use them if you're biking. I think that's what they're designed for. But you can also use them for things like weightlifting, or even things that you want to have a lot of dexterity, a lot of precise control on your fingertips, and yet, kind of protect your hands. So in some ways, kind of tactical. Now, first of all, I want to show you that the material on the back is like a nylon, a stretchy nylon. So it's going to fit and breathe and not trap a lot of heat, which is kind of nice. You can see really cool design on here. We have a rubberized Velcro strap on the wrist to tighten it down. We have some material here that's kind of like a terry cloth. It's like a kind of a fuzzy microfiber. And then we have more of that almost leather-like microfiber. This is really kind of strong. We also have these little dots are rubberized. And then this gray thicker part is actually really thick. You might be able to see there, they are padded. So you have some serious kind of padding, which would be down on the palm of your hand. So as you're grabbing, your bike handle, right, you're not going to have that wearing. You're not going to have it kind of digging on your skin. And then even right up here, right underneath the base of your fingers, you've got a lot of padding right here too. These are all really thick. I mean, those are pretty nice. And up here is some reinforcement. So you have both of these on there, and then you can just cinch them down. Like I said, more than just for biking, but if you do like biking or, weightlifting or anything like that, I think these are going to make a great pair of gloves. Now, I will put a link to these in the description below if you want to pick them up. Peter Von Panda, out.